Let's begin our lesson. First, let's briefly understand basic geometric shapes. These 4 simple shapes are familiar to us all. For beginners, we can understand that everything can be composed of these 4 shapes. For example, a water drop can be made from a triangle and a circle. A heart icon can consist of 2 circles and a triangle. We typically use Adobe Illustrator to create these graphics. In Illustrator, converting between shapes and lines is very convenient. This next example has more details, but uses the exact same method. What looks like a complex icon is actually just 4 circles plus rectangles of varying sizes. Now let's demonstrate interface icon creation. Using Parker Planar icons as examples, the design focus for these UI icons is clarity and functionality. Take the trash can icon is simply composed of 3 rounded rectangles and 3 lines. We can create it following these steps. First, select the rounded rectangle tool and drag to draw the shape. Second, adjust the line thickness as needed. Use 12 line thicknesses throughout the icon set for the consistency of all the shapes. Fourth, draw the lid with 2 more rounded rectangles. Fifth, erase the bottom half of the handle's rounded rectangle. Sixth, draw 3 straight lines on the bin body. And the trash can icon is born. You can adjust colors and line thickness as needed. When completing a full set, arrange them in a row to check visual consistency. Before final adjustments, icon design is an iterative refinement process. In our case, we need to perfect spatial transformation relationships, concave convex relationships, inside-outside relationships, thickness representation, highlights, reflections, materials, a metallic feel, rough texture, grainness, scratches, damage effects. This process is slow and meticulous. We can't fully demonstrate it in one short micro lecture. Here we can only outline the main directions. I hope this gives you inspiration. For a good start in your future learning, let's learn together how to design a music icon using Adobe Illustrator software. The design idea is to use Adobe Illustrator software to design the vector shape of the music icon. First, set the grid parameters of Adobe Illustrator software. Design the icon specification frame according to the icon size, and then carry out the design of the music icon. Finally, the icon is output in PNG format. Now let's start learning. First of all, let's open Adobe Illustrator software. Then create a new canvas. First, design the icon specification frame. Click Show Rulers and then set the guidelines. Then click Lock Guidelines. Second, click the rectangle tool and draw rectangle on the canvas. Third, click the Direct Selection tool to adjust the shape of the rectangle. Fourth, click the Rectangle tool. Draw another rectangle and adjust its shape. Fifth, click the Pen tool and use it to delete the lower line. Sixth, select the Ellipse tool, hold down the Shift key and draw a circle on the canvas. Seventh, click the Selection tool, black arrow. Hold down Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+F to paste and copy the circle to the other side. Eighth, click the Direct Selection tool, click the top corner, set the corner parameters. Then set the corner parameters of the other side. Ninth, select all the icons, right-click and select Group. 10th, save the project. 11th, export the picture as a PNG format file. In this way, the design of a music icon is completed. We will learn to design a linear film icon using AI software. First, set up the AI grid system and design framework. Then use Boolean operations for the film icon design. Step-by-step process. First, open Adobe Illustrator. Second, create new canvas, file as more than new. Third, set up guides. Enable grid, view is more than show grid. Adjust grid in Preferences, Guides and Grid. Enable Snap to Grid in View toolbar. Create square using Rectangle tool. Disable Snap to Grid for easier editing. 4th, design the pattern. Create center circle using Ellipse tool. Located right in the center of the previously created pattern. Adjust stroke settings. Create small circle. Turn off stroke. Create larger circle and position it. Use Rotate tool. Create 3 additional circles. Break outer circle using Pen tool. Add new circle near the gap. Delete unnecessary parts with Pen tool. Convert edges to rounded corners. Group all elements. 5th, export as PNG file. The film icon design is now complete. See you in the next class.